In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product launch landing page in HubSpot CRM. We'll build a clean, conversion-ready page from start to finish, and I'll point out simple choices that make a big impact. First, head into your HubSpot account and navigate to Marketing, then Landing Pages. Click Create Landing Page to open the builder. This takes you into a drag-and-drop workspace where everything you add will be modular and easy to adjust. Next, choose a template. Pick something clean and conversion-focused, or start from scratch if you prefer full control. Prioritize a simple layout with a single obvious call to action so visitors don't have to think about what to do next. A minimalist structure keeps attention on your message and improves load speed. Now add your content. Start with a clear headline that hooks attention, like "Launch your dream business in 30 days." Keep it benefit-driven and specific. Below that, add a short description that explains what your product is, who it's for, and why it matters right now. Finish the section with a direct call to action. Options like join the waitlist, get early access, or buy now work well when they match your goal and the stage of your launch. Keep copy scannable with short paragraphs so visitors can absorb key points quickly. Add a form to capture leads, drag a form element onto the page, then choose an existing form or create a new one. Include key fields like name and email, and consider an optional interest or budget field if it helps your sales process. Short forms convert better, so collect only what you truly need, and make sure your button text matches the promise in your CTA. Enhance the page with visuals, add product images, mock-ups, or a few concise testimonials to build trust and show real value. Keep the design clean so the CTA stays front and center, and use consistent colors and spacing for a professional look. Connect everything to your CRM, make sure form submissions create or update contacts, and add a property such as product launch lead, yes, so you can segment and follow up quickly without manual work. Set up automation with workflows. When someone signs up, send a welcome email right away. After one day, follow with helpful product information, and on launch day, send your offer so momentum builds naturally. Before publishing, switch to mobile view. Adjust spacing and font sizes so the headline, form, and button are easy to read and tap, since most traffic will come from phones. Finalize the basics by setting your page URL, such as product launch, and connecting your domain so the link is branded and trustworthy. When everything looks great, click Publish. Share the link across your channels, Facebook, TikTok, and email to drive traffic. That's it. You now have a focused HubSpot landing page ready to capture interest and convert visitors for your product launch.